What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to use your PS5 controller to play party animals on PC. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up Steam. Go over here to Steam, Settings, and Controller. Make sure you have PlayStation controller support enabled. I already have it enabled, as you can see, but if you don't, make sure that you enable it, and then after you do that, you can just close it. Next thing that you need to do is to connect your PlayStation 5 controller to your PC. Now you can either do that wired with the cable, or you can do it wirelessly with Bluetooth, but first let me show you how to do it with a wire or a cable. All you have to do is just plug it in to your computer, just like this, and it should be ready to go. Now, if you do this with a cable, you might run into a problem where you're not hearing any sound, and if that happens, all you have to do is go over here to the sound icon, click over here, and just choose whichever one of these is your headphones or your speakers, whatever you're using. For me, I know that mine is this one, and you just try to adjust the volume. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Okay, so after that, now I'm going to show you how to do this wirelessly with Bluetooth. So let me just unplug this. Okay, now, so if you want to do this with Bluetooth, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press the home button and the share button at the same time until the controller starts blinking. And now you can see it's blinking, so go ahead and go over here to the search bar on the bottom left, search for Bluetooth and other devices settings, go to Bluetooth, go over here, and this should pop up, wireless controller. Just click that, and now it's going to say your device is ready to go. Okay, so just click done. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is to open big picture mode on Steam, and I recommend doing this because sometimes if you don't do this, it might not work for the game. So let's go ahead and do that. So go over here, enter big picture mode. Okay, so now from here, as you can see, I can already use my controller to like navigate, go down, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and open up party animals. If you can't find it, you can go all the way up and search for it here, but for me it's already here, so let's just open it up and play. All right, so now as you can see, I can go up and down. I can use my controller now to play the game. So let's just go ahead and create a custom game. Create. And let's just add some AI bots so we have somebody to play with. Okay. And let's just go ahead and start the game. And I'm just going to use this guy, so let's just go ahead and pick him. And here it is. As you can see, I'm using my controller to move around and stuff. Okay. Jump around, and that's it. Now you can play party animals on PC with a PS5 controller. Alright, so now if you're using your controller wirelessly and you want to disconnect it, I'll show you how to do it properly. So go ahead and open up Bluetooth and other devices settings again. If you don't see it here, you can just search for it. And then from here, as you can see, wireless controller, all you have to do is click that and remove device. And then the light on your controller will just disappear. And that's it. Alright, so that is all that you have to do to use your PS5 controller to play party animals on PC. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. If you want to keep up with me on my socials, I'll put them on the screen and I'll leave links to them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I'll put a link to it in the description as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Later.